Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2013 Volkswagen Polo Trendline. Stock reference number 4582. This shape runs from the 5th month 2010 through to the 5th month 2014. It has a CGGB 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. CGGB 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage on the front end. It's fitted with 15-inch steel rims. Left front has a good tyre, left power door mirror, left front door appears to have no damage. Left rear 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the left-hand tail light, it's got a tidy rear bumper cover. Tailgate has one small dent. Right rear tail light. Right rear 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Both right-hand doors appear to have no damage. Right power door mirror and a right front 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim. Power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a 5-speed manual gear shifter, center console, interior mirror, heater controls, single stack CD player, left sun visor, courtesy lamp, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.